Good morning, ladies and jelly spoons. It's Tim down for Living with MS in Tenerife here. I'm at the La Atalaya Auto Lavados, which is the car wash, and I'm washing the car so you can be able to see out the front. I forgot to bring my top car, did I? It might be in here actually, but we'll have a look. We'll have a look and see whether my roof camera's on. But in the meantime, have a look at the wash thing. There you go. So this is my car getting washed. There's two bays, plus there's washing for, power washers around the corner to do it yourself, and a place to polish your car, and also get all the stuff out with the vacuum cleaner and stuff. So it's Monday today, and tonight is Meetup Monday. This will probably go out after that, so you've already been. If you decide to come or you want to join me on a walk, don't forget to go to timothydowd.com/events, and there's little places where you can book a walk. If you're the first person to book, you get to say where we're going, but we also invite other people on. If you know anybody else who wants to come, just send them an email. Anyway, so we'll wait for the car to finish washing and then we'll get going. Ladles and jelly spoons, Tim down for Living with MS in Tenerife. So I've washed the car and I thought I'll nip back and get a coffee at the beach. Now I don't normally have a coffee at the beach because it's not for locals, but I'm going to see what it's like for you guys. If you are coming over on a visit and you fancy sitting down by the beach and having your morning coffee, then I will show you what it's like. Up top here, I don't think it's open at the moment. I think they used to open at 10, but it doesn't look like they're open on a Monday at 10. And we're going to go down to L'Osteria C and have a coffee, and then I'll show you around the place. Okay, let's go. I'm not allowed to say let's go, am I? So here we are, we're in the beautiful shade of the trees. There's music in the background, but that's not a problem. And we're sat right in the middle of the palm trees and the cacti. Let me turn you around. Fantastic, fantastic. Tide's in, and a little bit of a swell going on today, so we'll have a look at that in a minute. And I got some old drone footage of where I am, so this was about 6 months ago, so take a look at that. Thank you so much.
Please.
What's your name?
Arnold, nice to meet you.
Arnold.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Kind of, because I have a nice one as well.
It's an Osmo Pocket 3.
Osmo. Nice. So small camera.
It's got the face tracking on it as well.
Ah, nice. I have, really good. I have something similar. I have the Hohem.
Okay.
Hohem one. I had one.
Do you have a channel? A YouTube channel?
Not yet. I'm gonna do. What kind of channel you make?
I got a YouTube channel. It's just me really. It's called Timothy Dowd, and anybody who's interested in what I do. If you work here in Kaya Sabaki, Diane?
I work here. Yeah.
No, you work here.
Ah, nice.
I don't work. This is the job.
Ah, yeah. Because I'm planning to go, change for the social as well.
There you go, coffee. How much am I going to pay for this? Quanto cuesta?
Good question.
Okay.
Ask my manager because And bartender just he was busy and they brought out one.
No problem.
Please.
No problem. Ah, okay. It's not more than 5, right?
No.
So we got the coffee. They got a really good thing on it. Let's have a look at this. There you go. So you can have your coffee looking out to sea. Esta cappuccino, then a bissel vino, und dann du. I got to remember to look in the lens. That's terrible, isn't it? It's terrible. So, ladles and jelly spoons, Tim down for living with MS in Tenerife here again. Why didn't you tell me that I had bird crap on my head? Which it wasn't. It was this morning. It was sun cream that I hadn't rubbed in. But I've been to the post office and I bought a coffee and nobody said anything. I've got this white stuff on my head and nobody said anything. It's amazing. So, let me just show you where we are. We're at the beach where we, just near where we film WEBBY Sports Roundup on a Friday morning. Which we won't do this Friday because he's gone to England. There you go. So let's turn you around. So here's the beach. It's going to be warm this week as well. A new Kalima is coming. And this is the view that we get from here.